If your AC or heating system starts making loud noises, it can be very annoying. A noisy blower motor fan often means something is not working right. Thankfully, here are some easy ways to fix a noisy blower motor AC heat fan. Before starting, always switch off the AC or heater from the main power. This keeps you safe from electric shocks. Never touch the fan or motor when the system is on. Dust and dirt build up on the blades, making them heavy and noisy. Wipe the blades with a small brush. A clean fan runs quietly. Regular cleaning also helps the motor last longer. Loose screws or bolts around the blower motor can cause rattling sounds. Use a screwdriver to check and tighten them. This small step can reduce a lot of noise. Over time, bearings get dry and squeak. Add a few drops of motor oil to the bearings. This helps the motor spin smoothly and quietly. Oiling them regularly prevents early damage. Small objects like leaves or twigs can get stuck inside the blower. Remove any debris to stop scraping or knocking sounds. Keeping the area around the unit clean reduces the chance of this problem. If the fan is running too fast, it may make whistling or humming sounds. Adjust the speed setting to a lower level if possible. The right speed keeps the fan quiet and comfortable. A clogged air filter blocks airflow and puts stress on the blower motor. Change the filter regularly to keep the fan running smoothly. A clean filter helps improve the air quality in your car. Loose electrical wires can cause buzzing sounds. Inspect the wiring and tighten connections. If you notice damaged wires, replace them immediately. For safety, always turn off the power before touching any electrical parts. Sometimes the blower wheel gets stuck on the shaft. This can make grinding or humming sounds. Gently loosen it using the right tools, clean the shaft, and then secure it back properly. Regular maintenance helps prevent it from getting stuck again. If the motor overheats, it may hum or buzz. Make sure vents are clear and the motor has proper airflow. Cleaning dust around the motor also helps it stay cool and run longer. A noisy blower motor in your AC or heat fan usually indicates worn bearings, debris caught in the fan, or an unbalanced blower wheel. Test it by running the system and listening for grinding, rattling, or squealing noises. These sounds suggest it's time for cleaning, lubrication, or replacement. By following simple care steps, you can keep your AC or heater fan quiet and running smoothly, and keep your driving more comfortable.